been trying hard to keep my cool, but when you're near, there's nothing that I can do. When you're walking in, I know it's true.
Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. It's so great to see you after so long, and thank you for coming here. First of all, you can't see anyone over here, like none of my cousins. We always are together, but this time we are not, for obvious reasons. Cases are increasing a lot and we don't want to risk it for anyone to come together and shoot. So we'll be making videos separately. We'll try to bring 2-3 of them together, but obviously not everyone can be together at this point of time. I guess most of you all would have figured out that what kind of a video is this, as I don't have makeup on. So yeah, I am going to shoot a makeup video. So why? I'll tell you why am I shooting this makeup video right now with you all, is because this is how I am going to do my makeup, and in the next video you will be seeing my brother doing makeup on me. So there is going to be comparison between the two. Anyway, I won't tell you which one, who and when and how, so stay tuned for now. Also, if you are late here or if you are new here, do not forget to subscribe, like and comment. So I have already prepped my skin with a moisturizer, lip balm and everything. So I'm going to start with the basic. First of all, we are going to use a concealer. I know a lot of people use foundation first, but this is not how I do. Okay, one more thing. I don't want my hair to come in my way while I'm doing this. So, yeah. Now we can start. So everyone has their different technique to do things. Mine is different, so I'll use a concealer first. I don't like to use the creamy ones or something, so I prefer using the tinted ones. So this is basically just to cover my dark circles and little imperfections and redness that I have on my skin. So one thing I want to tell you all is that there is no specification of any product here that you must use something like this or you must do this. You can use anything you want until and unless you are okay with what you are using. So yeah. I'm just going to blend it with my fingers because I feel that is much better and that's very easy. So let's just do it a easy way. I think you all see a bit of a difference. I think all my imperfections are now gone. I don't see any blemishes or anything that is still there on my face. If it is, we'll always cover up with a foundation. Now we are going to use a foundation. I'll just take a bit on my hand and just also planning to make a video on this. I had put up few questions on Instagram where I had asked people to write down some questions or anything that you have for us, which we will be answering for you all. So one of them was that how did Do It With Davees, or the idea of Do It With Davees came into action, and how did it all start in the first place. So I'll tell you how. Last year, obviously it was lockdown as well, and we all had met for the first time, all of the cousins, after so long last year on Raksha Bandhan. I was just taking a video and we're just having fun and all those things. So at that point of time, I had taken a video where I asked my cousins what do they do, and we kind of just took like a mini vlog or something. Welcome to Do It With Davees. Now I'll introduce you to... What's your name?
Bhavin.
What are you good at?
Good at?
Nothing.
Yes, nothing. Nothing. PUBG 4 finger.
कुछ करके दिखाओ. PUBG का डांस.
साथे करे आओ.
No.
One. अरे आओ. 1, 2, 3.
What's your name?
Zeel.
What are you good at?
Riya Chakravarti.
क्या आपने सुशांत को मारा है?
Satyameva Jayate.
What's your name?
Tapes.
What are you good at?
Making faces.
Can you make one? Toodles! What's your name?
Yeah, Deep.
What are you good at?
Clicking pictures. Can I
Clicking?
click your one?
Yeah, please.
What's your name?
Isha.
What are you good at?
सबकी खिंचाई.
Khich, ek ki khich.
Come here.
Come here. Cut.
Bye guys.
Toodles.
Bye.
Bye.
And I had just put it up on my story, on my personal story. So there were people out there who were like, you know, yeah, you all should start vlogging and things like that because we like seeing you, you know, doing all those things and everything. And we were like, okay, we'll see. And we never took it for serious. So right now, after a point, now that we still have lockdown and still some sort of restrictions, we thought that, you know, why not? Why can't we create content? Also for that, big thanks and credits to my friend. He knows if he'll be watching this. He suggested to create a YouTube channel and Instagram videos to keep, you know, this going. So thank you for that. So yeah, that's how Do It With Davi started in the first place. Okay. So now you can see I have tried to, I think so, yeah, I've tried to cover everything and I have blended my foundation perfectly on my skin. I don't know if you all can see it. Yeah. I'm just going to set it with a brush. In the Q&A that who's your favorite brother? Come on, I can't answer that. Obviously we had our fun time when we were shooting a vlog where, you know, we asked each other who's your favorite cousin and everything, but keeping aside and jokes apart, there's nothing of that sort. We all share a bond which is undeniable and obviously which cannot be compared to anyone, so that's not something that I'm going to answer. So now I'm going to use a blush on. So I am not very picky about, you know, what do I use on my face or anything, but when it comes to blush, I really prefer using a shade that is very natural and it looks really perfect on my skin and it blends in perfectly. So this I'm going to go for shades of the blush which is like orangish red or something like that. Don't pick pinkish, like perfect pinkish or perfect reddish tones. So always keep in mind to have something that is orangish, brownish, I don't know, something that looks like this. Professional makeup artist or anything, but I always prefer doing my eyes later. I don't know why. There's no such thing. Oh my god. I completely forgot to use a primer. It's okay. Go with something that is really natural right now. I'm just going to put a bit of shimmer on it because why not? Up is liner. I am so bad at using a liner because I don't know how to do those wing things, so that's why I don't usually put liners, but today that we are doing the eye makeup, up is highlighter. I'm just going to use it with my fingers. I don't know why I keep doing that, but it's okay, right? This is such an amazing glitter on your face. Can you just see it? It's so natural, it's so good. Let's do it more. We go out in the day and we just don't want to look a little too much for the place and the event or whatever, wherever you are going. So this is really good to have a dewy natural look. So I think this is something that you can try. Honestly, I have not recommended anything to anyone over here, but I definitely want to recommend this one to you all. This is Nykaa Madras Kapi. This is like the best shade ever I've tried. Okay guys, so I am done with my makeup for the day. It looks natural. Anyway, I am just going to wear these hoops to complete my look. Okay, last but not the least, I always do my lashes in the end. So I'm just going to use a curler. Which is going to lift my lashes and make it look wow. Doing my lashes, that is because once when I was a kid, obviously once, not really. Okay, so when I was a kid, I had an incident which I don't remember perfectly, but then that is the reason why I don't have my lashes here. But then, yeah, it doesn't make any sense. I don't see any difference as of now. So yeah. If you think this is a makeup tutorial which you can use on your daily basis, not daily basis, but you know, sometimes when you just want to have your hand on a 5 minutes makeup thing, you can obviously use this one. You know the drill, right? It's just like, comment, subscribe. Go do it. No, just do it with others.